everyone. So today we are going to practice some basic English conversation. So I'll have some basic practice questions here and we will learn how to answer them when we are talking to someone or we are making just a simple conversation with someone. So let's begin. So first sentence is my name is. So you can put your name here. So I will take an example and I will put Emily. My name is Emily. My birthday is. So here you will mention what's your birthday. So you will mention my birthday is on June 1st. I study at. Now here you will mention where you study, whether it's a school, whether it's a high school or a college. So you will mention the name of the institution you are studying at. So let's say I study at Richard High School. So you'll put your school or your college name here. My favorite subject is. My favorite subject is English or maths or any subject you will like to put in the sentence. My favorite color is red or pink or orange or any color of your choice. My best friend's name is. So here you can mention your best friend's name. You can say any name like, you know, Ray or Raymond or any of your best friend's name. On old school days, I go to bed at. On school days, I go to bed at. So you can mention like on school days, I usually go to bed early, which could be like on school days, I go to bed at 8 p.m. or 10 p.m. On school days, I wake up at 6 a.m. My hobbies are. So now here you will mention some of your hobbies. So you can say, my hobbies are drawing, painting, or any kind of hobbies or things you like to do. In my bedroom, I have a guitar, or you can say anything you have in your bedroom. I like to play piano, or you can put guitar. The country I would like to visit is, let's say, Japan. You can put any country you would like to visit. Japan, South Korea, London, or any kind of place you would like to visit. Before I go to sleep, I brush my teeth. Or you can put anything or any kind of thing you like to do before you go to sleep. When I wake up, I make my bed. Or you can say, I take a bath, I have my breakfast, I get ready for the school, I get ready for something like. So that's your routine. Now, my favorite singer is. My favorite singer. You can put any kind of singer you like. You can put Harry Styles or any kind of singer you like. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Make sure you practice this conversation sheet and write your answers so you can practice better. Thank you.